Looking for an easy, budget-friendly snack for kids? Today, I'll show you how to make a homemade luncheon meat burger using simple ingredients you already have at home. These are the simple ingredients we'll be using for today's homemade burger. And just like that, our homemade luncheon meat burger is ready to serve.
Ayan.
Sila po kayo baligay ng natin.
Nagkuhan ang baligya, tag-85 naman baligya.
Ito ba po?
Tapos, ang gatigin, bagang tipo naman. 30 ha.
Ay, siya nagpo nag-online natin ang
Dili.
ay di mo sabi.
Hindi mo kung yun naman baligya. Kay,
Ang lapit ng apple.
isang diin kung hain ang raw nga.
Say oh, nagtaw.
Sino?
Pero kung mong doon dito lang taw.
Okay, dayan, pagkita didi. Dayan.
This easy and affordable snack is perfect for kids and busy parents. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple home-cooked meals.